In this session, we start off by creating a page to list all of the chips for the current users. So open F controllers, reservation controller. Here we're going to create a new action. And I'm going to say your chips. Now to get all of the chips for the current user, we're going to create new chips. Right. And here we're going to say current user dot reservations. Now because we just create a new action in the controller, so open config routes.rb, and we're going to create a new one, get, let's say your chips reservations, and we'll say your chips. So we're done with controller. It's time to create a view. So under F, views, reservation, we're going to create a new file. Name your chips.html.erb. Now the structure for this one is similar to the one that we did before with the room index. So I'll just open the view rooms index.html.erb. I'm going to copy all of these. And back to our your chips, I'll just paste it here. Now there's a couple of things we need to change here. First, I'm going to add another thing here. So let's say your chips. Okay, so instead of say room path, I'm going to say your chips path. We're going to do the your reservation in the next session, so just leave it like that for now. Okay, so here we change things, this one to your chips. Alright, the panel body exactly the same. So this one is not room, it's a chips. And here we're going to chip. Now here we're going to remove all of these, and instead we're going to make our own column. So I'm going to say first column ME2, the second column would be 6, 2, 2. The last one we say right. Okay, now for the first column, we're going to display the start date. For the second one, we're going to display the image tag. And this one say chief.room.photos. Yes, we're going to display the first photo of this room. And that's the thumb size. For the third columns, let's display the avatar. chief.room.user. So we're going to display the avatar of the room owner. Now for the class, we say image circle avatar medium. Okay, so for the very last one, let's display $sign, and here we display the chief.total. Restart the server and go to web browser and to this link, your chips. And here's what you get. Everything looks good. You got start date, you got a photo of this room, and you got the avatar of the owner, and also the total. For those reservations, we didn't have this total yet because we just create before we add the total function in, so that's fine. Now there are a couple of things we need to improve here. First, we need to fix the active class in the left panel. Second, we want to reformat this date. And the third change would be a link to this photo. So we want to click on this photo and it redirects you to the room page. And a similar thing to this avatar. So we want people when click on this avatar, it's going to link you to the user detail page. Now back to our project. First, I'm gonna delete this active class in listing. First thing. Now the second thing we want to do in start date, we're going to say string ftime, and we're going to pass the %v. Save it. So we're going to transform to the date, month, and the year. Now for the room, let's going to say link to room path, and here we're going to pass the chief.room. Alright, don't forget to do here, and for this one we're going to say okay. Now we're going to do the same thing with this. I'm going to link to this one to be user path, and I'm going to path chief.room.user. Do save it. Oh, sorry, this one doesn't have the S, and the room doesn't have an S as well. Alright, save it. Refresh our web browser, and here is what we get. We got the your chips, which is correctly. Also, we got format for the start date. Awesome. If you click on this one, which is going to the room 3, which is Leo house. Great. And also, if you click on this avatar, which is going to the Leo profile, which is awesome as well. In the next video, we're going to do the same thing for your reservation as well, and I'll see you then.